Morning. It's opening day of rifle season 2022, November 15th, and I am in the corner stand. On the lease here. Joe is in the creek stand, and it's been an eventful morning so far. I've seen 4 does and 1 buck, 3-point. Buck skittered across the field in the corner, and 4 does were eaten on the field. One came out in the morning where the 3-point did and turned right around and went back in. Other than that, pretty quiet morning. Started out the day by forgetting my phone in the truck, so that's a wonderful thing. So I haven't found out anything about what Joe's doing, so we'll have to see that a little bit later. I'll probably take a walk out around noon and get my phone out of the truck. But right now it's lightly snowing and it's a beautiful morning. Nice and comfortable in the bank spine. So look out there. Windows are a little foggy, sorry about that. But it's a nice view out this morning. So I will check back with you later. Okay, so a little bit of an update. Been a pretty busy morning. I saw first 1 doe, then 3 does, then a 3-point ran out of the corner of the food plot of the field from me. And then I had to go get my phone. So I came back to getting my phone, and Joe was standing at my blind. And we stood there talking for a second, and 2 deer came out of the trail just down from me. And the first one was a little buck, probably a 5-point, I think. And the second one was, wouldn't say small 8, but I'd say medium 8. One we talked about last night, we saw it on the trail cams, and I had decided that I was going to let him walk. But since then, I've seen 2 does came out from the pinch, walked across in front of me, and then went back in the grass. And then I had a doe come running out of the woods in the thick swale between me and in the corner, ran right down the edge of the field. Stopped, and I had my gun up and the window open, and I think because I had my door curtain off, I think she highlighted me, and she stood there stomping at me. But I think she was being pushed, which is bad because she went back the way she came, so whatever was pushing her is probably not going to come out to me. So we'll see. She didn't snort or raise her tail, but she went back. So there's probably still another chance she could come this way, just in a different. That's where we're at right now. Joe's been seeing does like I have back and forth all day. So he saw a 4-point this morning in the east field. So we're doing okay. We're seeing bucks, just not the big ones yet. Keep trying. Update you.
Big buck down.
Woohoo!
There he is. take a zoomer. Alright, we're gonna back out. Alright, Brother Russ, let's go put your hands on it. November 15th. What time did you shoot him?
I don't know. What time is it? It's like just after 2. What time is
Yeah,
it?
it's just after 2. Nice looking deer, Russ.
Oh yeah. That's what I was looking for. Shit, there's dead leg, deer legs right there, bones all over the place. He must be a quarter and 2 further than I thought.
God, he's laying on the rib cage of a dead deer.
Yeah, he is.
Nice buck. Yeah. Wow, came out the way. Must have been quartering harder than you thought.
Yeah, that's what it looks like. Let me roll him over.
Your lens cap's open.
I know, I'm trying to close it.
Holy smokes, you punched him in the guts.
I must have hit him on something good. Wow, it was quite a bit further back than I thought it was.
Yeah, you're a lot farther back. Well, I'm glad he's dead.
Yeah, no shit.
Alright, well let's see the head. Come on.
Not my best shot in the world.
Hold that deer up. Let's see the head.
Just look at kind of gruesome. It's sitting on top of a dead deer.
Alright. What do you got to say? Look at me.
Hell yeah!
Okay, signing off from the Knoll Farm.